Hello, beautiful family. On the menu today is bean stew with rice. The rice any edria abumu. This is very simple. Please don't skip through the video. Watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's get started. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I used palm oil. Add your sliced onions to your preheated palm oil. Go ahead and add any salted fish you have, either momone, the cured fish, or kobe. I used kobe. Kobe is salted tilapia, right? Okay, allow this to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then go ahead and add your chopped peppers, your scotch bonnet peppers or habanero peppers. You can as well use the powdered pepper, but today this is what I used. Please check on it from time to time. We don't want the onions or the kobe to get burnt. While that was going on, I went ahead to cook my rice. Okay, so this is just washed rice, salt, and water. Okay, do not add any oil. Usually when I'm enjoying it with a palm oil stew or sauce, I don't add any oil to my rice. This is the tomato that I use, the tomato passata. Okay, that's the Italian brand. Feel free to use fresh tomatoes or the chopped one in the can. Okay, any tomatoes is all right, but this is the one I used. Stir periodically and make sure you let this cook on a low to medium heat. Don't rush the stew. Okay, it takes few minutes to get done anyway, so no need to rush it. If today is your first time stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Thank you. Please consider becoming a part of this beautiful family. I went ahead to season it with some all-pepper seasoning and ground ginger, and then also added curry powder. Use the seasonings of your choice, but these work perfectly for me. Please, once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share. This is my cooked beans. So if you don't know how to do this, soak your beans overnight and cook them in the morning, okay, the next day. Or you can cook them after 4 hours, okay? This is to get rid of some of the gas. Do you remember our air fried turkey? I realized that someone was trying to finish everything. So I had to be tactical and use them immediately at once by force. Please don't speak this English, it's not good. So my rice was done. I had to turn off that heat. I went ahead to add my cooked beans. So give it a gentle stir. Still allow this to simmer so they can exchange flavors. This is done. Ebusia bean stew is as simple as ABC. Anamebwa. So please try this. And this Kobe was tarry. It refused to disintegrate. What I say? Iron Lady Kobe. Aye. Thank you for watching me today too. This too, oh boy, it was so nice. And as I told you earlier, I paired it with some delicious white rice. Hey, and more white hair delicious. It is a pretty Sarah channel in Kwanzaa. What are you cooking this Christmas? I hope you are having a good time. Please stay safe out there. Subscribe to the channel. Don't go out, okay? Stay in the house and be watching my videos. Why? Bye-bye. God bless. The Kobe is Kobe.